Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Composer and make it available globally. Let's head over to download. Let's copy and paste this command into the terminal. Let's make sure that we're in the home directory. We are, and let's run the command. We can call Composer like so. But we want to make it available globally. Let's go to the Getting Started section and to the globally. Let's copy and paste this command into the terminal and run Composer to double check everything's working. Great. Before we finish off the video, let's add the Composer vendor bin directory to our system's path. I'm using Z shell, so my configuration is found in the zshrc file. This is the text that I add to my system's path. If you're not using Z shell, and you're using something like bash, you would add this to your bashrc or bash profile file, like so. And then save. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.